Hey you guys, I'm here with a master herself, Sonya Dakar.
Hi everybody.
And I'm at her spa in Beverly Hills, and she's basically a pioneer in skincare, I want to say. You're one of the first people that came up with a skincare line here. Your spa is notorious for a bunch of celebrities coming here, so you know what you're doing. So I'm here today and she's gonna analyze my skin and take a picture of a before and do the treatment, and then take a picture after, and we're gonna see what my skin looks like, and you're gonna tell me all my problem areas and what I need to focus on.
So I always believe in beauty boot camp have to be no nonsense, correcting your skin, fix everything we don't like, but acne, scarring, anti-aging spot, you know, anything, enlarged pores, you know, too much of like oily skin, dry skin, rosacea, anything we don't like, clinical, you know, beauty, health looking, we fix it. But with no nonsense, no massages going here. Everything is about correcting, feel good, look good, and last for a long time with no injectable and no surgical.
Look at her skin. I want your skin. So we're gonna start right now. She's gonna wash my face and she's gonna talk through the entire process. So we're gonna figure out what my skin's all about and what I need, what products I need to start using to help my skin look better, right?
Absolutely. All about like homework regimen, AM and PM. You're gonna get also information what to behave, how to act, how to treat your skin. It's like from in and out, what the kind of products and ingredients we should choose. If people cannot afford the most expensive stuff, you know, in my clinic or anywhere like department store, what to stay away from and what to welcome. And even if you're stuck and anywhere and you don't have any skin products, what to take even from the kitchen, and you can do stuff which is like fraction of money in your kitchen or in the supermarket. You can still make your skin healthy and beautiful, you know, for like the short term. Absolutely, we're gonna help everybody here today.
Okay.
For every need.
Yay! Okay, let's get started.
We have a little bit of discoloration here. You can see in your forehead the typical, we call a pregnancy mask. You can see like the dark circle. And a lot of people, yes, I didn't sleep at night well, but it's really not about like not sleeping well. It's about genetic, number one. And number two, as we get older, they become recession under the eyes. The fiber became like very shrinking, and we're losing like density of it. And you can see the skin is like more normal to dry, but at the same time, we have like enlarged pores. We have to get rid of it. And then here we have like next to the nasal fold, a little bit irritation. Can you see it? I love to have the cheekbone more full, tight all the way, brightening the eye area, and smoothing the whole cheek all the way completely. And then basically firming and lifting this, all the cheek up all the way.
Without fillers?
Yeah, all the way. The pores is not big deal. It's at one time, you can see the difference. A little bit clean up here is not a big deal. And basically, like the idea here with all the scenario here of your face, get rid of the discoloration, get rid of the dark circle, smoothing the pores completely, tightening the skin, and get a little bit of the irritation you have here. Are you ready?
Yes, let's do it.
And we're gonna do all of it without pain.
Okay.
But gain with no pain. How about that?
And with no needles.
And
no needles.
No needles, no surgery, anything. And you know, basically like condition the skin at the same time.
I love that you mix some of your products.
I mixed about 16 products myself.
How many products do you have? Your
About
whole line?
57.
Wow.
This is a stem cell mask, and basically is a great to soften the skin, and it's hydrating the skin and practically make it ready to extract, but also build up the skin at the same time. The stem cells treatment, which is basically boost your, stimulate your collagen very well, and at the same time going to give you the deep cleansing. We're going to get rid of everything beneath the skin, above the skin, and then I'm going to do like Nano Peel with nanotechnology. Is the peel with phytic peel, very gentle. It's not about glycolic or alpha hydroxy. It's going to be more invasive, so you're going to get the result with no downtime or no side effect. And then I'm gonna do for you the light treatment and oxygen treatment. So what it does is the light treatment is gonna shrink your pores, tighten your skin, helping with the stem cells that are gonna apply on your skin. Again, to be anti-aging, brighten the skin, very good for the dark circle and thin skin under your eyes. Like I said before, we don't have oil glands, we have only fiber, like thin skin under the eyes, so it's a shifting and creative, like get rid of it's boosts the collagen and the fiber around your eyes, so it's going to be more full and not dark. Get rid of the fluid, the toxin, to the lymph node. And then one more thing I'm going to do, the oxygen. You're breathing it, hyperbaric oxygen, which is great for your skin, helping to recover. Then at the same time, it's good when you inhale it to your lungs, so it's internal and external will be wonderful. The flash facial, basically why we call them, because it's really like in 1 minute you can have a beautiful facial and like 30 seconds or up to 60 seconds. So 1 minute you can have like facial change completely the skin texture and complexion, but doesn't have like particle or anything like this. It's very gentle. We don't need to wash it because we want the hyaluronic penetrate into the skin and plump the skin and like time release.
So you do this after the washing?
After cleanup, but at night after wash your face. Yeah. We're going to do the Nano Peel. So we're gonna put it all over your skin, and I can definitely massage it on your skin and you don't even feel tingling or burning, right? Do you feel any?
No.
Okay, so we leave it, we penetrate it on your skin, deep, deep, deep. And I'm going to do the diamond peel on the top.
The what peel?
We're gonna do the diamond peel. We're gonna do it with the equipment.
I like diamond peels. I like diamond anything.
Okay. The Eyeposuction is really suck all the location under the eyes, drain them out and tie all the way.
What is it called?
And the Eyeposuction, yeah. The Eyeposuction. Basically, it suck all the bloatation under the eyes. And you know what, like I said before, a lot of women not just have like dark circle and bloated under the eyes, they have the cut here.
I have
and that shows like really kind of like the worst sign of aging. And that's about stem cells omega mask. I'm gonna put it all the way. With this one, you can definitely call it the Beauty Omega Sleeping Mask. So my clients sleep with this at night, and when you massage it all over, you don't even have the white application kind of weird, like we call it the phantom of the opera. You just massage it at night, leave it on your skin, and you wake up in the morning, voila. I don't put goggles because I want stimulating the collagen around the, under your eyes. That's the hyperbaric oxygen, which is practically, you're gonna breathe it. It's good for your internal, and also it's very good to have oxygen to get rid of the free radical about your skin. How do you feel?
Great.
I'm teasing like oxygen, direct, infusing.
What order of products do you recommend doing at home?
I really recommend like several good products to put it. First of all, the wash, then to apply the stem cells. It's very good because direct. If you have like, for example, discoloration, I put the fade away on your skin, which is I'm going today. Then I like the stem cells, and then I like to do, because the stem cells is basically a treatment, skin for treatment. The nano hydrator is moisturizer for your skin. And then after the eye cream, the eye treatment, and then the omega, and then the SPF. At night, wash, flush facial number 2, and then exfoliate everything. You put all the AM products except the SPF, and then the eye treatment, the 2 circle, like I said before, and then you apply the mask, which is the omega sculpting mask, and you're ready to go to sleep.
In general, you should apply moisturizer before the oil?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Because the moisturizer go penetrate and the oil seal everything.
Okay.
Look at your skin now, and I want to give you the mirror, and then I'm going to take a picture of your skin.
Yay.
Here you go.
Oh wow. Wow. How do...
You see?
Yeah, my face looks
Even
plump.
discoloration is so much better. This one is more plump.
Yeah.
The eye area more tight. And the pores is more shrink. And you basically don't even need makeup. You only put like lip balm and go out.
How do we get this plump?
That's the products and the treatment.
Well,
Yeah.
I think this is the first time I've ever gotten a facial where I actually see a difference the day of.
Yeah.
Because usually like facials are like 6 months, 1 year down the line. This is
Now,
like,
I do believe, like,
look at that.
I do. Look at this, like the line is like disappear here. Look at this. It doesn't go here up to like your jowl. It's like completely, it's like young girl.
I'm genuinely
It's a-
like so surprised.
Yeah.
Not surprised. It looks
It's
amazing. I've
amazing,
never
right?
looked this good.
Yeah.
All right, you guys, I hope you learned a thing or two about skincare and the importance of skincare. Leave some comments below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.
Thank you so much for having me at home.
Yay!